6.0 magnitude earthquake struck eastern Afghanistan, destroying several villages, killing at least 1,000 people and injuring many more. The powerful quake struck just before midnight Sunday near the Pakistan border, with its epicenter about 17 miles east of Jalalabad, according to preliminary estimates from the U.S. Geological Survey. Nearly all of the deaths were in Kunar province, where about 1,000 people were killed and about 5,000 injured, government spokesman Zabihullah Mujahid said in a statement shared by the ministry. Another dozen people were killed in Nangahar province. Interior Ministry spokesman Mufti Abdul Mankani said. At least 500 people were injured in that province, officials said. Shah Mahmood, a Taliban government official in Nangarhar province, said more people were trapped under rubble in remote villages. Afghanistan has been hit by several deadly earthquakes in recent years, including a 5.9 magnitude quake in June 2022 and a 6.3 magnitude quake in October 2023. Local officials said the death toll in each of those quakes had risen to more than 1,000. The United Nations mission in Afghanistan said in a statement on Monday that its local staff were deeply saddened by the devastating earthquake that took hundreds of lives and injured many more. The Afghan health minister said several villages in Kunar's Nurgal district, including Sholt, Arat, Mama Gallon Water, had been nearly destroyed. The minister said others had sustained significant damage. The ministry said some of the injured had been evacuated and rescue operations were ongoing. Sadly, tonight's earthquake has caused loss of life and property in some of our eastern provinces, Mujahid said in a post on social media. Aid teams from neighboring provinces have been dispatched to the area, Mujahid said. The Defense Ministry said a 10-member team had flown about 40 aircraft from the area, transporting 700 people to hospitals, including the Dawood Khan Military Hospital. The National Disaster Management Authority said a convoy carrying response teams had left for the affected areas in Kunar. The UN Office for the Coordination of Humanitarian Affairs in Afghanistan began coordinating with other international agencies after the earthquake, saying its partners have launched emergency relief operations. The UN will not spare any effort to help those in need in the affected areas, said Secretary General Antonio Guterres. I express my full solidarity with the people of Afghanistan following the devastating earthquake that struck the country this morning, he said on social media. I extend my deepest condolences to the families of the victims and wish the injured a speedy recovery. Rescue operations are ongoing, and 200 Taliban fighters have been deployed to rescue survivors, Mahmood said. 2 helicopters and 30 ambulances are being used in the rescue operations, Mahmood said. The worst-hit areas include Nurgal and Seringal in Kunar province, as well as several villages in Shaman district, the Taliban official added. These were completely destroyed. Kunar in Nangarhar province also suffered significant damage. Mahmood noted that reaching some areas is still difficult due to communication, barriers, and poor mobile service coverage. The rising death toll is also a cause for concern.